fucking 10-inch port?
8-inch.
Wow. Hell yeah, I got some friggin' woofer porn shots over there. What size port is that? Fucking 10-inch port?
8-inch.
Wow. It's fucking sick.
Right?
Yeah, I love it, dude.
The shit get ugly.
Fan Guy 1 on YouTube.
Dude, that's awesome. Your voltage is actually...
I know, right?
What the hell?
I don't understand. I only got one battery.
No shit. What do you have for alternator?
Stock.
Stock alternator on AC. Crescendo 2K.
Crescendo 2K, half ohm, 4 American-based TNT 10s with an 8-inch aero port.
Hey, let's go pop the trunk real quick. Right. Let's show them the back. Got the American base in the doors, the coaxials. Got the Crescendo power with the... I remember I had one of these batteries back in the day. It's a little smaller version.
I got that small footprint American-based 4100 FR 4-channel.
And look at the flare on this friggin' PVC. That is not easy to do. We got the 2000 there, the American base. There you go, you tube this. Freaking sounding great. I'm glad you got this thing working.
Look at XL right here.
That's awesome, dude.
My man.
That's awesome.
Love it.
Well, until the next video, this is EXO hanging out at the St. Jude show having a good time.